Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll in order to find security. Now let's scroll down again to find unknown source installations, and as you can see right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. So if you'd like to change it, for example if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on this switcher here. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. So if you are ready, just tap on allow, and as you can see this option is active, the Chrome is active, which means that from now on it is allowed to download something. Of course it will work the same with all other apps, and you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your OPPO A94 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.